In this video, I've got an update for you on my affiliate marketing site, bestroofbox.com. Main headline of this video is, we've hit page 1 of Google. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. So this video is the 6th update video that I've done so far on my Amazon affiliate marketing website, bestroofbox.com. Hopefully you've watched the other videos that I've uploaded around this site, including the full-length tutorial video where I create the site, as well as all the follow-up videos where I explain what I've been doing, and of course share all the earnings and traffic numbers related to the site. If you haven't watched them, then you can easily find them all in a playlist, and I'll put a link up right now. Give that a click, start at the beginning, and all of this will become a lot clearer. So let's start with the numbers. First thing to report is I've had a few more sales on the site. Here you go, there's the latest earnings on the screen right now. We can see that a couple of them are roof box related. I've sold a hoist for storing your roof box, but there's some other random products in there too, which is kind of to be expected when you are an Amazon affiliate, because people click on your links, they go over to Amazon and they buy all sorts of stuff. Not only the stuff that you recommend, but of course other products that catch their eye. So that's completely normal, and you know, it's a good thing earning commission on cat litter and other weird stuff. As well as the earnings from Amazon, Google AdSense is also doing okay. There's the latest numbers on that for the last 30 days. It's bobbing along quite nicely. I'm sure that's going to increase. Traffic is now on the up. It had been bobbing along, kind of not doing much, but now it's definitely increasing, including organic search, which is obviously going to be the main source of traffic to the site, I think, anyway. That's up 125% on the previous period. I'm just looking at the last 30 days for this data, but that's looking really promising. So digging into that SEO traffic, I've been doing a few searches for myself. It's kind of what you do when you've got a website. You'll find yourself doing it as well when you've got your website. I've been using a VPN so that I can access google.com and have a look at exactly what's coming up over there. And I've noticed that I've been getting a few page 1 results. For example, this one. So this result is for the long tail search, best roof cargo box for golf clubs. And you can see that we've got the #1 spot. It's pulled in my Pinterest graphic, which I've noticed on a few other results as well. So that's kind of cool. And I've kind of got the full snippet there. So really pleased with that. I mean, it is a long tail search, so it's probably not going to get a huge amount of volume. But if we can get a few more like that, then traffic is surely going to increase quite rapidly. Other terms that seem to be ranking quite well are things like how to pack a roof box, and a few of the car guides like Peugeot 3008 roof box guide and the VW Tiguan roof box guide. Some of the results are image results, which, you know, that's fine. Any result is good, and they'll hopefully bring in some traffic as well as just people nicking my image. Some of the other work that I've been doing on the site include using Ahrefs to do some keyword research. Now, this is a really powerful tool. It is quite expensive though, unfortunately, but I happen to have an account, and I've been using the Keyword Explorer part of it, and it includes a difficulty score, which I think is similar to Doug Cunnington's keyword golden ratio. Basically gives you a score. I think it's out of 100 in terms of how difficult it would be to rank for that particular keyword. So I've been running some roof box keywords through the tool, and I've been choosing keywords that have a low difficulty, and I've been creating some content around them. So I've only just had that content delivered. I've uploaded a few pieces of it. Once it's all uploaded, I'll keep an eye on it. And of course, I will update you in the future on how well it's got on. If you go and take a look at the site, you'll see that I've been adding loads more articles. I'm trying to do at least one a day at the moment, which is a bit of a struggle. But hey, I've been getting there. There is, you know, some fresh content on there. And that really is the key to growing one of these affiliate sites. Just keep adding good quality content. The final thing I've done is I've added some social sharing buttons, just some simple ones, you know, one for Facebook and Twitter, and an email button and a print button. And by the way, I've got a full video on how I did that. I'll put a kind of card up now. Give that a click. You'll also find a link in the description, just as a way to kind of help people, you know, share the content if they want to. That's all from me for this video. I'd love to know how your affiliate website is getting on. Do leave me a comment below. I'll read all the comments I get. I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, you could do so by clicking on the eagle. Why not check out my vlog channel by clicking on my face? And there's a couple of videos that have appeared. They've been chosen especially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. Till next time, bye for now.